class. Today we have our English class. Today's date is 6th January 2022. It's a fresh new start of a year. It's a fresh new month and we are in the first week of January. As a revision, yes, thank you so much, Ganesh. As a revision to our class norms, you will have to stay on mute. You will stay on mute. Check if you're on mute, everyone. Check yourself on mute. Lenovo Tab M8, please rename yourself. Okay? Second, you will listen when someone is talking. जब कोई बात कर रहा है तो आप बहुत अच्छे से सुनोगे when someone is speaking. So we will check the mute. We will listen to the speaker, whoever is speaking. We will do our best. So you will do your best. You will listen to the speaker. Be kind and respectful to yourself. Also, you can use your Zoom hands when you have to raise your hand or you have to show the thumbs up. You can use the Zoom icons also. So when you use the Zoom icon also, I know who's talking, so I know it better. So try. Good morning, Roshni. Please use the chat box, everyone. Please use the chat box.
Good morning, Didi.
Please use the chat box. Now Didi is going to put you on mute because now Didi is going to share her screen. Okay, now please make sure that you use your Zoom icons. Only then Didi will come to know that you are trying to speak. Didi is going to share her screen. Okay. Now, I hope you were all able to see my screen. There you go. Please do not annotate or write anything. I will just disable the annotations, and the annotations have been disabled for everyone. Okay, and now Didi is going to use her spotlight. So here is Didi's spotlight. Today, we will be reading about something. But before we start with anything, I want you to look at this picture for 10 seconds. I'm going to give you 10 seconds. Up 10 seconds tak is picture ko dekhiye, because I might ask you something. And you can always use the chat box because the chat box is open for you all. I can see the chat box all the time. So please use the chat box. Look at this picture. So many things to see on this picture. So many amazing things to see on this picture. Now, this picture, what does this picture look like? What can you see in this picture? Quickly go to the chat box and write. What do you see in the chat box? I want to know what you see. You can write it in the chat box. Quickly write it in the chat box, children. Jo bhi aapko dikh raha hai, whatever you can see, please write it in the chat box. Yes, Rakshit said it's a wheel. Yes, it's a wheel. It's a wheel जिसको हम हिंदी में पहिया भी बोलते हैं. Very good. So you can see a squirrel. Very good, Palak. Plant, grass, and flowers. Very good, wheel. Okay, I can see Ronak and Palak. I want everybody else also to talk in the chat box. Okay. This story, before we start ahead with the story, I want you to be very careful and make note of few things. हमने हमारे पिछले क्लास में एक टॉपिक पढ़ा था, that was main idea and supporting details. So here we will also look for main ideas and supporting details. This is just, I am trying to help you out, that keep your eyes and ears open and be very careful because you are now detective. आप सब लोग अब detectives हो and you are going to look for main ideas and supporting details in this story. Are we ready, detectives? Show me a thumbs up, detectives, if you're ready. Are you ready, detective? Show me a thumbs up if you're ready, detectives. I want to see everybody's thumbs up if it is ready, if my detective is ready. Yes, all my detectives are ready. So let's go. One second, what happened? Okay. Look at this picture. Rakshit, would you please be kind enough to read this for me? Unmute yourself.
Yes, Didi.
Please read.
Wheel was very upset with car.
Thank you so much. Now here, Wheel was very upset with car. If you can see, there is the wheel and it is upset with car. Now, can somebody tell me why this wheel is so upset with car? Look at the picture and can somebody guess? If you want to guess it, please raise your hand so that I can see you. आपको guess करना है कि यहाँ पर wheel जो है car से इतनी upset या इतनी नाराज क्यों है? Why it is upset? Upset means to be very नाराज or sad about something. Yes, Akila, you want to tell me? Look at the picture and guess why the wheel is sad or is upset with car. Akila, you want to try, Akila? Yes, Ronak, correct.
Yes, Didi.
Yes, why is the wheel upset with car? Why do you think the wheel is upset with car?
दीदी क्योंकि वो उसको चलना पड़ता है.
Okay, because the wheel has to work for the car. Okay, here Karthik has given that crack in the wheel joint car. Okay, so the wheel actually has a crack and that's the reason it is upset. Okay, thank you so much. Wheel. Okay, now before we go ahead, can somebody tell me who is your character here? हर स्टोरी में कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं जिनके बारे में कहानी होती है, राइट? वी हैव कैरेक्टर्स अराउंड whom the story is. Who is your character in this story? Somebody wants to guess? Yes, I want Ria to try. Who is the character of this story? Ria.
दीदी wheel.
So your character is the wheel. Absolutely correct. Thank you so much. Children, please make note of main idea and yes, Meera, correct. Wheel, correct, Rakshit. Now we will look at the next page. What happens in the next page? Chalo. I want, where is Meera? Meera, are you ready? Will you please read it for us? Okay, Meera, just give me a second. I will unmute you. Okay, I can't find Meera. Yes, I found you, Meera. Chalo. Please read what is written here. Unmute and read.
Car often drove wheel on very hot roads.
Yes. Thank you so much, Meera. Now, everybody, please stay on mute and repeat the word often. Here, the T is silent. We write it, but we don't say it. So here, you will read it as of and en sound, n. Of n. You will write the T. हम इसे लिखते हैं, पर हम इसे पढ़ते नहीं हैं, because ये silent है. The rule of English says silent में we don't read that the letter. We only write it in spelling. So how do we read it? Often. Everyone, please repeat on mute. Often. Often. Come on, Laiba. Often. Often means frequently. Frequently means jaldi jaldi, बार बार ये बात होना. Something that happens so many times in so less. It happens so many times. Often होना मतलब बार बार होना, जल्दी जल्दी होना, ये कोई बात. So what happens often? Somebody want to explain कि क्या read किया मीरा ने? I want Komal to try. Komal try करो. What did Meera just read?
दीदी ये पेज नंबर कितना है?
This is not your textbook, beta. This is a story that Didi is reading. You want to try and explain? Didi ने भी मीरा से क्या read किया, मीरा ने क्या read किया? You want to try explaining it, beta?
मीरा ने ये बताया था कि वो जल्दी जल्दी में वो है ना पहिए से निकल गया और उसको फास्ट रनिंग करना पड़ा.
Okay, so यहाँ पे hot roads दिया गया है बेटा. The word says hot roads. What do you think they are trying to tell you? You want to guess? Okay, thank you, Komal. Ria, you want to try, beta? I can see your hand raised. Yes, Ria, unmute.
दीदी मीरा ने बताया कार रोज वेरी गरम रोड्स पे वो चलती है कार के वे.
So yes, thank you for sharing that, Ria. Ria said that the car always used to drive itself on very hot roads. Now it was not a problem for car. The hot road was not a problem for car. कार के लिए गरम रोड का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. प्रॉब्लम किसके लिए था? किसको उस रोड पे गरम रोड पे गोल गोल घूमना पड़ता था? Who was the one who was rolling on it? Yes, thank you for sharing, Rakshit. Who was driving? Yes, the wheel. Yes, Ria, absolutely correct. जो हमारी wheel थी उसको परेशानी हो रही थी. Now, where is Ronak? I can't see Ronak. Where is Ronak? Ronak, yes. I'm going to unmute. Ronak, please read it for me, beta. I can help you. I can, okay, 1 second.
car,
Car drove.
wheel,
Very good.
wheel, very, over.
1 second, children, 1 second, okay? Yes, beta. Continue reading, beta.
Over, kid,
Yes. Car drove wheel over.
over,
Over.
sharp, over, sharp,
Correct. Sharp stones.
stone, and
Through. Muddy.
road.
Yes. So, can somebody please help me explain who used to help whom? Ganesh, I want you to try and explain क्या हो रहा था ये picture में बेटा Ganesh. Unmuted है.
ये गाड़ी फुल स्पीड में जा रही थी, एक खड्डा आया, वो गाड़ी ठुक गई.
Okay. Somebody else wants to try. That was very close. Thank you for sharing, beta. Somebody else wants to try. Let me see. Okay. Car drove wheel. 1 second. 1 second, 1 second, children. Okay. Now, car drove wheel over sharp stones. If you can see, there are stones everywhere. So sharp stones पर भी car wheel को लेके roads पर चली जाती थी. And through muddy roads. तो कभी कभी roads पे mud होता था और वहां पर भी कार उसको wheel को ले जाती थी. सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम किसको हो रही है? कार को हो रही है, wheel को हो रही है? Please go to the chat box and tell me. Quickly go to the chat box and type your answer. Who is getting so much trouble? Who is getting trouble so much? The car or the wheel? किसको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है? कार को हो रही है कि व्हील को हो रही है? किसको हो रही है? देखिए. Yes, the wheel is actually problem में आ रही है. Yes, wheel is actually going through a lot of problem. Is the wheel happy? Is the wheel happy to go through muds and roads and sharp stone? Look at the picture. Is the wheel very happy? क्या वो happy है? Yes, please type in the chat box, children. It is happy? No, like Shreya said, no, it's not happy. It's sad. It's very distressed. Look at the expression. बिल्कुल परेशान है वो. It's so distressed. Yes. So now let's see what happens afterwards. ठीक है? In the next page. Now I want Shreya. Where is Shreya? I just missed Shreya. Yes, Shreya, unmute and speak, beta Shreya.
Yes.
Thought. Why don't I leave car?
So he needs to go
Left.
look for
a new vehicle. Vehicle. Okay. Now wheel was very upset and he said that, you know, this is so not correct. This car is putting me everywhere. I will leave this car away. I don't want to do anything with this car. So he went away and he went to look for another vehicle. अब एक दूसरी vehicle के बारे में उसके पास जाकर connect होने के लिए सोच रहा था. So he wanted to try and connect to another vehicle. Let's see what happens next. Now I want Niyati to read it for me. Yes, Niyati. Unmute yourself and read, beta. As 1 second, कुछ और हो गया. 1 second, Niyati. 1 minute. Page ज़्यादा जल्दी पढ़ लेते हैं. Okay, this is your page. Yes, Niyati, read. Soon he found truck. Can I Be
Do
your
your
wheel.
will
He asked him.
he are him
Sure, of course.
show of score
Truck replied.
reply.
Yes. Now here in the story, thank you so much, Niyati. The car was very bad with wheels, so we left the car and he went away to another vehicle. Now he was moving on the road when he saw a truck, and the truck. He asked the truck, truck, can I be your wheel? Truck भैया, क्या मैं आपका wheel बन सकता हूँ? So truck said, okay, you're of course, sure you can. Come join us. This is what truck said. Now, Ganesh, help me with the next page, okay? Chalo Ganesh, please read it for us. Look at the images, children. Please look at the images. They are amazing. Ganesh, please read. I am going to put you on unmute. Yes, please unmute and speak.
दीदी मुझे रीड करना नहीं
मैं
आता.
हूं ना बेटू. I am there with you. As truck drove
drove
along, wheel screamed.
wheel screen.
Oh
Oh no,
no, you are too heavy.
you are too heavy.
I will get crushed.
I will crush.
I will get
crushed.
Now, Ganesh, tell me, does the truck have the same wheel like the car? कार की और ट्रक की व्हील दोनों सेम होती हैं? Do they have the same kind of wheels?
No.
Why? Because if you put a car wheel on the truck, the car का wheel will get crushed. What is the word? Everyone please repeat. Crushed. Crushed याना दब जाना, बिल्कुल चूरा मुरा हो जाना. Okay, thank you Meera for sharing that, beta. Now, 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Let's go to the next page. Now here I want Laiba to help me out. Laiba, where are you? There you are. Unmute yourself and read. Wheel left
truck in search to another wheel.
Yeah, now he saw that thank you so much, Laiba. He saw that this truck is so heavy, it will crush me. So now he again ran away. He said, no, I'm not going to stay with the truck. I'm running away. I'm going to go with another wheel. He looked for another wheel. Ab use dusri wheel chahiye thi. So he thought and he tried looking for it. Poonam Jagbare, are you ready, beta? Poonam? Please read it for me, beta. Unmute कर रहे हैं मैंने आपको unmute किया. Okay, I have unmuted you, beta. You can read now. Yes,
जिससे मुझे पढ़ना नहीं आता है.
मैं हूं ना पढ़ाने के लिए, no problem. मेरे साथ पढ़ो. Next, he found tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk means a rickshaw. Okay, tuk-tuk का मतलब होता है rickshaw. Okay, what did he say? Can I be your wheel? Be your wheel. Wheel, beta, wheel. He asked. Yes, of course. Tuk-tuk replied. Now he said to tuk-tuk means he said to the rickshaw that tuk-tuk, he means rickshaw, can I be your wheel? क्या मैं आपका पहिया हो सकता हूँ? So tuk-tuk said, of course, you can be my wheel. So now he became the wheel. Sayan Ghazi, are you ready? Please read the next one for me, Sayan. 1 second. Okay, Read. One second. Somebody is on mute. Please mute yourself.
Hello.
One second. I have muted everyone who's making sound. Mute karo Poonam. Thank you. Yes, Sayan, you can read beta. Okay, where did Sayan go? मैंने आपको unmute किया हुआ है बेटा. Go ahead, read. As tuk drove, he screamed. Get off. Or you will overturn me. We left to find another vehicle. Yes. Now what happened here? Thank you so much, Sayan. Please put yourself on mute, Sayan. Yes. Now what happened now is he went to the rickshaw. Is the rickshaw the same kind of wheel like the car? Yes, Meera, is it the same kind of wheel like the car? Type your answer, Everyone, please type your answer. Yes, correct, Riya, Ronak, and Apurva. It is not the same. The word here, new word is overturn. हमने कभी vehicle को ऐसे पलटी खाते देखा, पलट जाती है गाड़ी बिल्कुल upside down हो जाती है. That is called overturn. The wheel was so big for the rickshaw, for tuk-tuk, that it could actually turn it over. So the tuk-tuk said, no, bhaiya, no, you go. We don't want you anymore. That's what it said. So now we quietly left to look for another vehicle. Yes, what happens after that? Let's read on. I want Anush. Where are you, Anush? Yes, Anush. I'm going to ask you to unmute. Please read it for us, Anush.
Yes, Didi. Will ask bicycle
he
could join him. No, you are not the same
size. Replied
bicycle.
Now he went to another vehicle. He said, bicycle bhaiya, can I be your wheel? So bicycle said, no, not at all. Why he said no? Bicycle ne no क्यों कहा? Anamika, answer. Bicycle ने मना क्यों कर दिया? अनामिका, मैंने आपको अनम्यूट किया है बेटा. स्पीक.
यस दीदी.
बाइसिकल ने व्हील को मना क्यों कर दिया कि आप मेरी व्हील नहीं बन सकते हो? ऐसा क्यों कहा?
ऐसा कम है?
Because it was not the same size. क्या हमारी कार की व्हील, अनामिका, साइकिल की व्हील की साइज की तरह सेम है? सेम है?
नहीं दीदी.
सेम नहीं थी. बाइसिकल ने कहा नो. बाइसिकल said no, you can't be my wheel. Thank you so much, Anamika. So he said no, you can't be my wheel. Everybody please check if you are on mute. Thank you. Now what happens next? I want, where is Riya? Let's look for you. I can see so many of you writing answers in the chat box. That is so nice. Please keep writing your answers in the chat box. Didi can see you in the chat box, beta. Okay, Riya, I'm looking for you, beta. Where are you? Where is Riya? Okay, there are students here also. One second. Riya, I found you. Unmute. Please read the next page. Okay, I'm just going to turn the page for you. Okay, please read the next page. What happened?
Next, we'll ask horse cart. But that didn't work
out either. Next, he went to which vehicle? He went to the horse cart. Did horse cart make him the wheel, Akila? Horse cart ने उसे wheel बनाया, अपनी wheel बनाया. Horse cart ने, घोड़ा गाड़ी ने. Did घोड़ा गाड़ी actually make it? Yes, I can see so many of you answering in the chat box. That is actually very amazing. Thank you so much, everyone. I can see Ganesh. Thank you, Akila. I can see Riya, Anamik, everyone typing in the chat box. Thank you so much. Now we go to the next page. The horse cart, the ghoda gadi said, no, I will not make you the wheel of my vehicle. Apurva, please read the next one for me.
Tried,
Tired,
tired
tired.
and sad Will sat under the tree.
Yeah, he was very sad. He was very tired. He said, I'll just go and take some relaxing time under the tree. So now he went under the tree to sit. Meera, where is Meera? Can't find Meera. Okay, I'm going to ask you to unmute. Yeah, Meera, just a second. I'll turn the page for you, then you can read it up. Now, can you read, please?
A boy came by and asked him, will you be my friend? Yes, said Will.
Now, finally, something for Wheel. Every vehicle said no, 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 no. But now a boy came and asked. एक लड़का है और Wheel से कहा, will you be my friend, Wheel? Will you and I play because I want to be your friend? So Wheel was very happy and he said, yes, I want to be your friend. Okay. So now Wheel became friend and he actually found someone whom he can play with. Now, Ronak Kanojia, please read this for me.
Yes,
Now,
now there
swing,
wakes
swing, swing together.
swing together.
And can you please wait? Read again this also. They. Okay. Payal, read.
They play together.
Yes, they swing together. वो झूलते साथ थे, वो खेलते साथ थे. Thank you so much. Yes, Rakshit, I know you have already read it. Now, please, I want Pradeep Kumawat. Pradeep Kumawat, do you read?
Yes, Didi.
They, read it. They do everything together. Thank you so much, everyone. Now, we saw the story. We saw what happens in the story, right? Now, Rakshit has already read it. Your task for the day will be that you will record an audio recording of story. You will tell me story in your own words. Try to use as many English words as possible. जो story अभी हमने पढ़ी है, इसको आपको audio recording में अपने words में दीदी को personal chat पे audio recording में वो कहानी वापस बोलनी है और इस कहानी को ज्यादा से ज्यादा English words में बोलना है. Okay? You have to send an audio for this story today. Akila, you want to say something?
दीदी आपने जो भी पहले पढ़ाया था ये स्टोरी वही स्टोरी
बस यही स्टोरी व्हील की स्टोरी ही पढ़नी है बेटा. ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग में व्हील की स्टोरी ही भेजनी है. दीदी विल सेंड द पीपीटी आल्सो. Okay, Didi will send the PPT also in the group, so don't worry. Now, as promised, we told you to keep your work ready for dictation list. Now, quickly fetch your books in 1 minute. I'll give you 10 counts. English notebook and pencil ready karenge. We will have a dictation quickly. Didi is going to repeat words only 3 times. So everybody go and look for a notebook. Write your name and your date and title today. Come on, jaldi say, let's do it fast. I'm giving you 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and your time is up. Let me see, is everybody ready? I want to see everybody ready. Come on, jaldi say. I'm going to lower all the hands. and we will not speak during this time. Okay, please don't move anything, don't do anything, so that we can finish it very fast. दीदी हर word 3 बार repeat करने वाली हैं. So I will be repeating every word 3 times. Make sure you write numbers from 1 to 10 in your, yes, I have a question about dictation. Palak, okay, let me find you, Palak. 1 second, Palak, stay there only, beta, don't go anywhere. Let me get ready. 1 second, Palak. If you have a question, I will quickly take your question in a minute. And we have Palak. Palak kahan hai? Where is Palak? I can't find Palak. Palak. I can find Payal, but where is Palak? I can only find Payal. It is Payal or just Palak? One second. Please write numbers from 1 to 10. Write dictation on top. Dictation list 1 आपका title है. 1 से लेके 10 तक margin में numbers लिखिए जल्दी से. And if you're done, please be ready. Didi is going to give you words. 1 second. Okay, I've lost it. One second, children, give me 1 second, okay? I am opening the dictation list. Okay, if you're ready, I am ready. If you're ready, I am ready. Okay, on to the first word. Okay, आप कुछ भी नहीं बोलेंगे. मैं पलक को ढूंढ रही थी. Palak wanted to say something. Where is Palak? Okay, I found Palak. Palak, you want to ask something? I have kept you on unmute. Please ask.
दीदी मैंने ना डिक्टेशन लिस्ट 1 के सारे वर्ड्स अपने नोटबुक में लिखे हैं.
ओके बेटा. नाउ ऑन अ फ्रेश न्यू पेज. वो पेज पे नहीं जाना है. एक फ्रेश न्यू पेज लेना है ताकि आप उसमें चीटिंग नहीं करो, कॉपी नहीं करना है. फ्रेश न्यू पेज लेना है आपको. Yes, Palak, I can see beta. Let's begin. Time chal raha hai beta. Let's begin. On a fresh new page, write the date, numbers from 1 to 10. Title hai dictation list 1. Okay. The first word, go. I will repeat every word 3 times. Go. First word, go. Second word, Shruti Maurya सोना नहीं है. Second word, made. Komal, keep writing beta. Don't waste time beta. Keep writing every question in the end. In the end beta, please write. Don't waste your time beta. Please write. All the questions can be done later. Second word, made. Third word, black. Third word, black. Pratik, I am not able to see you write beta. Pratik, likho. Third word, black. Fourth word, number. Fourth word, number. Fourth word, number. Fifth word, find. Fifth word, find. Fifth word, find. Sixth word, many. Sixth word, many. Sixth word, many. Seventh word, first. Seventh word, first. Jagdish Wakle, please write beta. Sit up straight and please write. We are on sixth word. Okay. Seventh word, one. Seventh word, sorry, this is eighth word, right, Riya? ये eighth word है. Okay. Eighth word, one. Eighth word, one. Ninth word, funny. Ninth word, funny. Chetna Chaudhary, right beta? Ninth word, funny. 10th and the last word, orange. 10th and the last word, orange. 10th and the last word, orange. Didi is going to repeat all the words from 1 to 10 one more time. अगर आपका कोई word miss हो गया है, you can write it now. Okay? First word, go. Please check your work also. अगर आपने miss किया है, अगर आप लिख चुके हो, check करने का time है अभी. This is the time for you to check your work. First word, go. Second word, made. Third word, black. Fourth word, number. Fifth word, blue. Sorry. Fifth word, find. Sixth word, many. Seventh word, first. Eighth word, one. Ninth word, funny. 10th and the last word, orange. Quickly check your name on it. Check the date on it. Check the title on it. Name, date, title. और third A हो, B हो या C, ये लिखना है. If you're third A, if you're third B, or you're third C, please write that also on the top part. Page के top part में. Yes, Akila, I can see your work, beta. Good work. Please write it on the top part. Dictation लिखो, date लिखो, third A, B या C लिखो, अपना नाम लिखो. Quickly take a picture and send it to Didi on Didi's personal chat. इसे homework group पे नहीं भेजना है, इसे आपको personal chat पे भेजना है. So please send the dictation words on the personal chat, not on your homework group, so that everybody else cannot copy. दूसरे बच्चे आपका काम copy नहीं करेंगे, इसलिए दीदी personal chat पे बोल रही है देने के लिए. Okay? Now start sending it quickly. Very good. I can see some of you are sending. Very nice. Komal, speak. Komal Rebari.